Hello everybody. Boy, today I have really something unique for you. I have to say this is not my watch, I only borrowed it from my friend, but I have to do a review it because it is so unique. If you like it or not, it's other thing. If you would wear it or not, it's also another thing. But it is unique, and everybody probably will agree on this with me. This is AZIMUTH Gran Turismo. Quite a rare watch because there are only 150 pieces of this version, 100 pieces of black PVD version, 100 pieces of gold PVD version, and 50 pieces of camouflage, also PVD version. This model is highly inspired by things connected with cars, especially with the cars from 60s and 70s. You can find the similarities in shape of the case with Porsche 911 Carrera from this time period. For the front, you can see inspiration in Mini Cooper dashboard, very characteristic one and recognizable. Also here on the sides you have something like air vents, also in a 1970s supercar fashion. Overall, this design it's very good, I have to say. It's a little bit crazy looking, but this company have very unique and creative, I would say, models. And of course this is not the watch for everybody, but for love enthusiasts you have to at least admire how it is made. Other thing, if you wear it or not, because it is quite a big one, to be honest. Besides the very unique but a little bit strange design, the watch is really big. It's 50 millimeters from here to here, but overall it's not in the round shape, so this front part isn't that big. I would say it wears quite comfortable, but it's also 54 millimeters long here, and I would say this is the only problem with this watch to wear it comfortably, because I would even show you how it looks on my wrist. I hope you can see it. Maybe I will try to find the focus better. From the front side it's even not so big. I have rather slim wrists, 70 and a half centimeters, but the problem is the wide, like whole wrist is covered with this very shiny surface, and this shining surface is very unique. As you can see, it catches the light in very unique way, like water or something. But also, in my opinion, it should be maximum 50 millimeters long. It's now 54 millimeters long, and it covers all my wrist, and it wears more like a metal bracelet than the watch, I would say. Maybe if you have a bigger wrist, at least 18 centimeters, maybe it will look better, but I would say that this design could use a little bit shorter version of it, and it will be surprisingly wearable. Really surprisingly, because it wears very nicely, I would say, besides this long part here. But even still, as I said, if you have bigger wrist, you can totally wear it. And this surface, I didn't see this kind of shiny surface in any watch, maybe because of the size of it. Probably no watch have so big part of stainless steel part in it, and that's why it is unique. And from this oblique shape, it is very interesting to see and look at. I would also show you how it operates. operating isn't that comfortable. They make a good job with the shape of the crown, so it is a little bit better thanks to that. But overall, you have to do it like this probably, because it's even hard to grip it. But it is okay. You can see the minute hand is moving around with the circle, and the hours you can see in the top part. So it is quite readable, quite easy to use. It has my movement with hacking second, so when I push it in, the second hand starts and it moves around. So it is not hard to read. It now is like 6 past 11, so everything is easy to read. And this is a quite expensive watch. This watch goes for around $4,000. Is it worth that price? I have to say no. To be honest, it is unique, very limited, but I wouldn't pay for this piece $4,000. Mainly because there is no resale value, so it will be hard to get your money back if you won't find this shape wearable or style even wearable for you. So this could be a problem for sure for somebody, but also those watches don't come on auction, so it's really hard to say the real value of this watch. But I would say the real value is from $1,000 to $2,000, and I will definitely pay this amount because of its uniqueness and different styling, and then surprisingly wearable size, I would say. It has a butterfly clasp, nicely finished, solid case back, nothing special. The main part is here on the front. This is a watch for somebody loving cars, loving things from 60s and 70s, maybe in some car connected business. This could be a watch for you, or at least a conversation starter, because I would say this is probably the best watch to describe as a conversation starter that I've seen so far in person. Okay, that's probably it. AZIMUTH Gran Turismo. Thank you. Bye.